Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2024 Toyota Prius Prime XSE, the top-of-the-line trim in Toyota's plug-in hybrid lineup. So, buckle up, eco-conscious drivers, because this one's packed with innovation, efficiency, and style. The Prius Prime XSE boasts a powerful punch with its 2.0 liters four-cylinder engine and electric motor combo, delivering a surprising 220 horsepower. That means you won't be sacrificing pep for eco-friendliness. But the real star here is the plug-in hybrid system. With an EPA-estimated electric range of up to 44 miles, you can cruise around town emission-free on your daily commutes. And when the battery depletes, the hybrid system seamlessly kicks in, offering an impressive 54 miles per gallon combined fuel economy. Talk about guilt-free driving. Interior. Let's face it, the Prius hasn't always been known for its looks, but the XSE breaks the mold with its sleek, aerodynamic design and sporty accents. The LED headlights, 19-inch alloy wheels, and available panoramic moonroof give it a premium feel. Inside, the XSE pampers you with soft XA-registered full leather seats, heated and ventilated front seats, and a spacious cabin that comfortably seats 5. The Pi-8 Assist R8 copyright systems, the standard 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected and entertained on the go. The Prius Prime XSE isn't just about saving the planet, it's about keeping you safe too. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard, offering a suite of advanced driver assistance features like automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. Plus, the available advanced technology package adds a surround view camera and parking sensors for extra peace of mind. So, is the 2024 Toyota Prius Prime XSE the perfect car for everyone? Maybe not, but if you're looking for a stylish, efficient, and tech-laden plug-in hybrid that doesn't compromise on performance or comfort, it's definitely worth considering. It's a head-turner for the eco-conscious driver who wants to experience the future of mobility today. If you're interested in learning more about the 2024 Toyota Prius Prime XSE, head over to your local Toyota dealer for a test drive. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts on this innovative plug-in hybrid. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.